Welcome to Man Does Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
You're in the meeting. Open Chat now. Click the chat icon in the upper right or use Ctrl plus Alt plus C to reveal the panel quickly. Once open, type your name once to confirm how you'll appear. This helps others identify you when you send messages. Make sure your audio/video state is set. People expect context. You'll see message history and participants. Start with a short greeting. It signals presence. Then, type your first message and press Enter to send it immediately. Once the chat is open, use features to stay efficient. You can send a group message by typing in the main box or click a participant's name to send a private note. This keeps side conversations discreet. Add links, emoji, and attachments when you need to share resources. Attachments follow Meet size rules, so compress large files. If you want attention, mention someone by name so they see the message. Also, reference a timestamp or slide number to keep context clear. To finish, save any important chat content, copy and paste into notes, or take a screenshot for record keeping. If the chat pane fails to open, reload the Meet tab first, then check browser permissions and try a different browser or device. Make sure extensions aren't blocking scripts. If problems persist, gather details, screenshot, meeting code, and your browser/device info, then share them with the host or IT. This speeds resolution and gets you back into the conversation quickly.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.